In the world of the singing chef, you just never know what will be the surprise in the morning time for Christmas delight on Guyana today. Good morning, Ian. How are you?
Good morning, Nadia. I'm very good.
I'm excited to find out what we'll be making today.
Today, we're going to be making stuffed meatballs, which is pork and chicken meatballs. And we're gonna do a really nice, spicy tomato sauce to go with it.
All right, what are we stuffing the meatballs with?
Cheese.
Wow, let's find out what are the other ingredients we'll be needing.
Well, we've got about 2 cups of pork mince, chicken, about a half a cup of chicken mince, coconut oil, the cheese here for stuffing, and we've got broadleaf thyme, finely chopped. We've got some basil, margman pork, black pepper, salt, wiri pepper. And for the sauce, we've got some passata really. It's like tomato puree, fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, ketchup, wiri pepper, some balsamic vinegar, salt, smoked paprika, and some finely chopped garlic there. About a tablespoon, I'd say. That's about 3 cloves. First, we're gonna make let's make the meatballs. All right, there we go. Basically just dump it all in there. Right? Right. Let's put the herbs in. Nice herby. Right, put the thyme in, you put the basil in, or marmam pork, we put the peppers. Oh, crikey. Yeah, that looks good though. I will use about that much salt, which is just about a tablespoon. Wiri pepper, right? And let's just mash that together, right? It's really simple to do this. Like you could see, this is like a 5-minute, you shouldn't be more than 10 minutes in the kitchen actually doing this, right? Mix that all together very nicely. And once you get that, you make some little balls out of it. And this, you have to use your hands, you know, roughly. You don't have to get it perfectly round, right? Just so it looks like meatballs, right? And not a pancake. Right, here we go. You know, try to get them about the same size. Right, here we go. Flop, flop, flop. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz. There we go. Mix it up a little, right? I think we're probably gonna get about 5 meatballs out of this, right? I remember all these recipes, you can actually, if you want to, you just double or triple the amount of ingredients, and then you can make as many of these as you want, right? Or you can halve it and make less, right? This is just like an average amount. Okay, so we got 5 meatballs there. And then what I am gonna do is I'm gonna stick the pieces of cheese on the inside. This is my kid's favorite. Yeah. Okay. Put 1, put 2, maybe 3 of these in there, right? Right? But do the same with all of them. All right, you get 3 of these, put 3, and you do the same with all of them, right? Once you stuff it, you put it there. Right? Just put it into like a little pan like this. And they're pretty much ready. Right. 1 there. And 1 here. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this on the stove and just let it seal through. I'm going to let this heat up and it does it very quickly. Then I'll turn it over so you get some browning on the other side. And then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the oven. Because I actually think you can pan fry these as well, but I think it cooks much more evenly in the oven. Just want to flip it quickly. Right. Boy, behave yourself. Okay. quickly. And last but not least, it's you, young man. Just simply cook it. Don't worry. When these are finished, it all, it gets really firm. So this is ready to go into the oven. I put it for about 15 minutes at 200 degrees. While the meatballs are cooking in the oven, we'll just make a quick spicy tomato sauce. Add a little bit of oil to this pan here. Yes, that's about, I'd say about 2 tablespoons. Right? And while that's going off, the first thing I'm gonna add is the tomato paste. All right. Get that to kind of get mixed up in the oil a little bit like that. All right. So next thing you add is the garlic. All right. Wiri pepper. All right. Ketchup. All right. All right. Or balsamic vinegar. Or fresh tomatoes. More fresh tomatoes. Passata, which is, tomato puree. So this sauce is going to be very, very tomatoey with just like a little bit of a kick, right? And we're going to add I'd say that's about a tablespoon really of smoked paprika. And I'm not going to add that much salt. 2 big pinches. And that's it. I know that's going to, by the time this is ready in 50 minutes, this will be ready. Right? And let's check out these meatballs. I'm sure. Yeah, look, the cheese is oozing out of those. Fantastic. So let's plate these babies up. We'll just take one like this. And another like this. I love meatballs. You can make a lot of these. Like you can make hundreds of these if you want. And it's perfect for the buffet table at Christmas. Right? Take some of the sauce. We're going to put it right there, like this. Right? So there you have it. Spicy stuffed meatballs with a spicy tomato ragu.